Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at an essential upgrade for anyone using the Jabra Evolve2 30 headset, the SOULWIT replacement ear pads. If you're looking to refresh your headset's comfort and sound, this is definitely for you. First, and this is crucial, these ear pads are specifically designed for the Jabra Evolve2 30 headset only. Please double-check your headphone model before purchasing to ensure perfect compatibility. Now, let's talk about installation. SOULWIT promises a flawless process, and it truly is. These earpads are engineered to perfectly fit your headset base, requiring no extra tools. The entire installation can be completed within just a few minutes, getting you back to your calls or music without significant downtime. It's a remarkably user-friendly design. Moving on to the materials, this is where SOULWIT truly excels in comfort and performance. The earpads are crafted with high-density foam and softer protein leather. This combination provides a luxurious feel against your skin, making long work sessions or extended listening periods much more comfortable. That familiar ear fatigue after an hour or two. These pads aim to significantly reduce it. Beyond comfort, the high-density foam plays a vital role in acoustic performance. SOULWIT claims these materials ensure excellent bass, and that's a key benefit. Old, worn-out earpads often degrade sound quality, especially low-end frequencies. By replacing them with these premium SOULWIT pads, you're not just gaining superb comfort, you're also enhancing the sound profile of your Jabra Evolve2 30. It's like giving your headset a fresh lease on life, revitalizing your audio experience. Your old earpads have likely seen better days, flattened, cracked, or no longer providing an optimal seal. This degradation negatively impacts sound quality. Why settle for that when a simple upgrade can make your headset look and perform brand new again? It's a simple, cost-effective way to revitalize your gear. SOULWIT is also committed to continuous improvement, constantly developing more professional and ergonomic ear cushions. Plus, their customer service encourages you to contact them at any time if there's an issue, which is always reassuring. In conclusion, if you own a Jabra Evolve2 30 headset and are experiencing discomfort or diminished sound quality, the SOULWIT replacement earpads are a highly recommended upgrade. They offer easy installation, premium materials for superior comfort, and a noticeable enhancement in sound, particularly the bass. It's a simple swap that makes a world of difference, transforming your headset back into the comfortable, high-performing device it was meant to be. This product truly delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.